You're not lazy, your habits are. These small, quiet routines are draining your time without you even noticing. Today, I'll show you 7 habits that ruin your productivity, and simple fixes to turn them around. Habit 1. Checking your phone first thing in the morning. Crossmark problem. It floods your brain with distractions before you even start your day. Checkmark fix. Begin your mornings with one intentional action, like making your bed, journaling, or stretching, before checking your phone. Habit 2. Multitasking all the time. Crossmark problem. It feels productive, but your focus is split and tasks take longer. Checkmark fix. Use the single task rule. Finish one important task before moving to the next. Habit 3. Saying yes to everything. Crossmark problem. Overcommitting leaves no time for priorities. Checkmark fix. Learn to say no politely and protect your schedule for what truly matters. Habit 4. Working without breaks. Crossmark problem. Your brain tires out, leading to mistakes and burnout. Checkmark fix. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest. Habit 5. Not planning your day. Crossmark problem. You waste time deciding what to do next. Checkmark fix. Write down your top 3 priorities the night before and start with the hardest one. Habit 6. Chasing perfection. Crossmark problem. You spend too much time polishing instead of finishing. Checkmark fix. Aim for progress, not perfection. Get it done, then improve later. Habit 7. Ignoring your health. Crossmark problem. Lack of sleep, poor diet, or no exercise destroys focus and energy. Checkmark fix. Treat your body like a productivity tool, fuel it with rest, movement, and healthy food. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things with the right energy. Fix these habits, and you'll see massive results. Which of these 7 habits do you struggle with most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more growth tips.